feel was the single most important or impactful question or topic that was, discussed or debated, even, if you will, during this perspective, session?
Mm. Yeah, I get. It was difficult to choose. It was such a rich session, and I was sat there on the edge of my seat listening to colleagues giving me updates on things that I really appreciated knowing. I suppose if I were pushed to one thing, I'd probably say it was about the validity of trials. So it relates to the things we've already discussed. But the revelation, which came from our statistical colleagues, particularly the Pentara group, that if you had looked across other trials and you started to get a sense of a meta-analytic approach, what happens if you put the complete weight of data to address the question, did a drug seem like it worked? The revelation, I think, for me and for much of the audience, I suspect, was drugs that we have, in inverted commas, seen fail may have had some efficacy. And that's very disappointing. This is a field in which we've been starved of good new medications. So the idea that we might have discarded things along the way that could have been helpful was disappointing, but an opportunity as well. So for me, that was really the key thing, the validity of the approach we've taken, and the fact that sometimes we don't always do justice to the very elegant, nicely designed compounds that we have to evaluate.